And I'm tripping, you're tripping, What's up, guys? I am back. It's been a little while since I have made a video just because I've been feeling a little bit under the weather. My daughter has been super needy lately, so I have not been able to get a chance to just kind of sit down, do my makeup. I'm really excited to be back. It feels good. I am showing you how to do this everyday makeup. This is kind of what I do if I leave the house. Not every day, because I do not do my makeup every day whatsoever. I probably do it, like I said, when I leave the house, which is like once a month, once a week maybe, but this is what I do. So we will get right into the video. Okay, so like always, every day, every single time I do my makeup, it does not matter, I like to start off with moisturizer. I just feel like it really makes your skin plump, so this kind of just helps me a little bit. It helps the foundation have a smooth base to go on. Then I go in with my foundation. I am going to be taking the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation pretty much out of this. So whatever I can get out of here, we're just going to have to make work, okay? Because I'm balling on a budget, right? I'm like squeezing this. This is sad. Oh, there's some. Yes. So taking your damp beauty sponge. I don't go super full coverage for every day. Obviously I do have a couple problem areas that I like to focus on more than others, but for the most part I kind of stay away from being too heavy because I live in Arizona and it's 100 and Satan's butthole outside. I could not handle my hair anymore, like ugh, I just had to get it up. So it's out of the way. So then I'm going to be taking my Tarte Shape Tape, very lightly dot it wherever I have problems. My skin has not been as bad lately. I just recently went through this crazy breakout. I was doing the keto diet for a while. I was doing so good on it for like a solid 2.5 months, and then I drank a lot one night, and the next day I was really hungover and I needed to eat french fries or else I was going to die. So for fear of dying, I ate some french fries, and then I could have easily just, gotten back on the whole bandwagon of eating healthy. But no, I decided to have some corn dogs the next day, and then after that I had something else. So it's been like a week since I've been off of it, and like ever since that happened, my face my face has just been breaking out so bad. Like I don't know what to do about it. It's finally calming down. So now I'm taking my Airspun loose face powder. Alright, so I'm just lightly brushing that all over my face. I'm not really baking with it or anything like that, just setting whatever that stuff is down. Then I'm going to be taking my Too Faced Baked Luminous Glow Bronzer. This is in Sweet Tea. And I'm not contouring, I'm just bronzing. Our daughter decided her first word is going to be Dada. So now she just sits here all day and goes, Dada, Dada, Dada. I carried you for 9 months. I was sick for 6 of those 9 months. I gave birth to you, and your first word is gonna be Dada. Sometimes, sometimes. This is my go-to. This is such a good palette. I really think that everyone should have just one little palette like this of just like natural like nudies. Like boop, 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 boop. I love this palette. I use this thing all the time. So I am going to be taking Cashmere Bunny. So with a big fluffy brush. Okay, so here is a trick, and we will see why I'm doing this later. But take some Scotch tape, and I'm lining it up with the natural line of my eye. I don't see if you can see how I did that, but this, I'm pretty much just taking it so it follows it all the way up like that, and it feels freaking crazy. You look crazy, but that's okay, girl. That's okay. Okay, so then this Cashmere Bunny shade. Whoever said pregnancy was beautiful is a two-faced liar. It's not beautiful, I'm sorry. Like, yes, the baby is beautiful, but pregnancy and being pregnant is not beautiful. You're gassy, you're bloated, you're mean, your feet, you have like ogre feet. I was a monster. Like, it was like she was possessing me. Like, I wanted to bite tires. I didn't crave any food. I just craved the smell of tires. So then I'm gonna go in with, this one is Heaven right here. This light shade on my eyelid. Next, I'm gonna be taking this really small angled brush right here. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills number 12 brush. And I'm going into Risque. Risque! Risque! The princess is here! Sierra! This beat is pretty much just do some false eyeliner with this, because on an everyday basis, I cannot handle the stress and agony of doing actual eyeliner. And this is why I have the tape on my face, because I can be pretty sloppy with it and it's gonna come out pretty clean. But every time I see my boyfriend and my daughter and like how good they are together, like how good he is to her, how much she loves him, like my ovaries just freaking explode. My ovaries are like, let's have another one. No. First of all, ovary, shut the fuck up. Okay, so pretty much everything that I did up there, I'm gonna do on the bottom. I don't know how girls can wear these like over the shoulder. I don't know if it's like the way my shoulders are built. My brother always said that I had moose shoulders in Cashmere bunny and running that underneath my eyes. One time my brother and I were walking in a Walmart and we like bumped shoulders. He was like, your moose shoulders are taking up the aisle. I was like 14 and I was like, I have moose shoulders. He said that I could be a linebacker for a football team. Then I'm taking Risque with a flat definer brush and running that on my lash line. And then just because I want to brighten up the eye a little bit, I'm taking that Heaven shade and I'm going to highlight my brow bone with it. But yeah, I don't understand how girls can wear these types of shirts all the time, because like every time I move they like run up and I have to like pull them back down and then it's just not comfortable. Okay, so next for eyebrows, taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. I'm being really soft, but for an everyday look, I don't like them to be like too precise. This eyebrow looks weird. Why did I shape it like that? I don't know. They're gonna be thick because I have not plucked them in a couple months. So they gonna be thick today, okay? Okay, so the sisters have left town. They went on vacation without me because I'm poor. And right now we just have some like third cousins, twice removed through marriage, Cletus and Claudia. Come on, Claudia. Why are you trying to do me so dirty right now, girl? Cletus is great. Cletus is like that cool cousin that'll like take a blow for you. Like if you're not where you're supposed to be, they'll be like, yeah, you know, she's here, she's cool. And then Claudia is just the bitch that's like, no, your daughter isn't here. Some lashes. I need to get new lashes. They have like split ends. Hello, governor. Are there any lashes in here? Boot straps, boot straps. I knew they were in here. Yes, man. So I'm starting a GoFundMe for buying Danielle new makeup. Donate if you'd like, because or else I'm not getting it. Does anybody know somebody with connects in The Amazing Race? Because I'm trying to be on that show. I'm trying to win $1 million. In all reality, I think I'd be really horrible at that show. Okay, while that glue dries and stops being so frickin' white, frickin' pest. My Milani blush in Coral Cove and just lightly go over my cheeks with it. Now usually I'm not too crazy about doing highlight. Like I don't necessarily think that it's I don't know, I personally don't do it all the time, but for the sake of the video I'm going to be taking the Amrezy highlight again and just lightly going over the highs of my face. Today I'm going to be taking my NYX Liquid Lingerie in the shade Seduction. Wow, Really? Really? I just got stuff all over her binky. Nah. I always do the same thing with my hair every single day. That's it. If it's not in a ponytail or in a bun, it's this. This is it. I never got the skill of doing my hair. I've never learned how to do it. I just didn't care enough to. All right, guys, and that is it. That is the end of this tutorial. This is my everyday look. Typically, I like to do a little bit more difficult, not necessarily difficult, but more creative looks, I guess you could say. This is just kind of like a get ready in 15-30 minutes, but it's just like a super quick, super simple makeup look. But yeah, this is the end of the look, the end of this tutorial, the end of this video, whatever. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like my videos, and also be sure to share this with your friends. And I think that is it. So I will see you guys next time. Bye. Ooh, I have to leave the house tomorrow. Gross. Ugh. I like this. Okay. Okay. Ooh, excuse me.